Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make an easy mini flicker. It is folded with a piece of sticky note and a stapler. Now let me show you guys how to do it. First of all, let's take a piece of sticky note and stick it on the table, and I'll show you the next step. Make sure that it is flat. Now let's flip the paper over and fold the paper in half. Make sure that all edges are lined up. Just do it slowly. Then unfold the paper. Next step, let's start from both sides of the paper and fold both edges to the center crease. Press down the paper. Repeat the same fold for the other side. And then start from both sides of the paper, fold both sides to the center crease as we did before. On the following step, let's fold the paper in half. Flatten the paper first and fold it in half this way. When you fold the paper in half, just curve it slowly and then press down the paper. You can hold it up and adjust if it's not looks right, and then fold the paper in half and start from use the center crease as a preference and fold the side of the flicker. When you fold the side of the flicker, just adjust it so that the paper looks nice. Once you finish with the wings of the flicker, you can put it down and then use the stapler to enhance it. Now let's take a stapler and then do the fun stuff. This is the easiest step. So start from the side of the flicker, staple it. Before you staple it, make sure that all layers are lined up nicely. Otherwise, this will not work well. Now let's staple it. Once you finish one side, repeat the same step for the other side and then the centro. So when you staple, make sure that you press it hard. And then now let's finish the last step, the centro of the flicker. Let's staple it. And here you go, this is the flicker, and I will show you guys how to fling it. Make sure that you hold it at the center and then fling. When you fling, you need to release it right away. So two things should happen at the same time, otherwise it won't work. This is the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Check out my other videos too. And see you next time.